Hello friends, today in this video I am going to teach you how to make questionnaires in Microsoft Word. This guy is very easy, very simple to make questionnaires in Microsoft Word. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First open Microsoft Word and here you need to click on this insert and click on this table and select the tables if your requirement like this. Then you need to then select it and click on this table layout and here you get 1 centimeter. And the font size, click on home, then font size, adjust it like this. Then in table layout, make it properly in middle and adjust it by your requirement and change the column by your requirement. Adjust properly. Like this, and here you type number like 1, 2 and 3, and here this go to file, then more options and ribbon, scroll down and here you turn on this developer option and click on this OK. Then go here developer and here you have to enter checkbox, then grow properties and here change check symbol and here change, going down and properties will change events and here you select wings 2 and here you type 82 and click on this OK, then click on this OK and select it by using Ctrl+C and here you want paste it all, Ctrl+V. Like this you can do it and here you type your questions and here you type your questions like this And here you can your adjust properly, like using this, adjust it properly and select all. Then click on this tab- table design. So home. Sorry, click on this home. Then here this option borders, and here you select no borders. That's it. And you have here you can see like you can see using it you can check it. Click here and you can do it like this. This guy is very easy and very simple method to do it. Guys, is very easy and very simple method. If you have any doubt, to please comment, and you have any problem about your PC or laptop, please comment me. I will respond to you in 1 4 hours approximately, and I will solve your problem. Try my best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.